Hi, so welcome back to the channel. We have this prime listing here, although this is a bit of a one-off since hindi po ito land co property. But we really wanted to show this property to you guys, especially for those looking for a prime property in Caloocan City. Bago tayo mag-start, I just want to apologize since hindi natin nagawa itong video sa actual property. Kasi nung time na nandun kami, medyo limited lang din yung aming oras. But don't worry, we made sure to capture all the important details for a full tour for you guys. So if you're an investor looking for your next property acquisition, or maybe you're an entrepreneur searching for a small warehouse or a versatile mixed-use property na may commercial and residential rental space, then this video is definitely for you. We're about to explore a property in Caloocan City that offers incredible potential, whether for income generation, business operations, or for future development. Now, this property is located at C. Apostol Street in Barangay 65, Grace Park West, Caloocan City. Short walk lang ito to 10th Avenue and to LRT Monumento Station. Malapit din ito sa mga universities like UE Caloocan, Caloocan Science High School, and sa Manila Central University. Another advantage ng property na ito is malapit lang din ito sa major roads like Samson Road, yung upcoming North-South Commuter Railway, and yung NLEX Connector or Harbor Link. Itong mga continuous infrastructure developments around the area makes this property a really good investment. Yung area naman na to is a vibrant neighborhood, ensuring a steady flow of potential tenants or customers. Let's start this short property tour, but first, if interested kayo sa property na to, please contact us either through Viber or WhatsApp or through email. We'll show it on the screen for you. Simulan natin dito sa parking area. So malaki itong area po na ito, kasya dito up to 8 cars. Currently ginagamit siya as a rental parking space and it generates around 3,000 per month per slot. So even before you do anything else, may passive income na agad itong property. Now, let's head inside the main house. Itong house na to was actually built during the pandemic. You can see na very functional yung layout. We have the living room and dining area here, plus the main kitchen. Yung bahay is well maintained, perfect for a starting family or even for those who want to use this as an office base. Dito naman tayo sa second floor. We have a nice family area or family room dito. Very versatile yung space. Then we have one spacious bedroom and a clean toilet and bath. Everything is ready for move-in, so wala ka na masyadong iintindihin na renovations. And of course, hindi mawawala yung ating dirty kitchen area sa labas ng bahay. Dito usually ginagawa yung pagluluto, which is very practical and essential for a Filipino home. Dito naman sa likod, we have a backyard area. Ang maganda naman dito, may gate access din ito going to Vibora Street. So you actually have 2 points of entry, which is a huge advantage for accessibility and logistics. Finally, ito naman po yung executive loft type studio unit. It has its own toilet and bath and it's completely separate from the main house. This is perfect as a guest room, a private space for your parents, or even an office space. So it adds so much value and flexibility to the property. So what makes this property a good buy? Yung area na ito in Caloocan City is a dynamic area with a stable growth trend. Kaya mataas pa din dito yung demand for accessible commercial and residential spaces. With its mixed-use potential, you're not just buying a property, you're investing in flexibility. You can continue yung income-generating parking, live in the house, rent out the studio unit, or even redevelop yung entire 275 square meter property into a apartment building with commercial spaces. So this is a chance to secure a versatile asset in a high-growth urban center. So if you're an investor looking for a strategic income-generating property with immense potential, or a business owner needing a prime accessible location, this Caloocan City Gem is an opportunity you don't want to miss. If gusto ninyo makuha yung complete details ng property na to, or you'd like to schedule a private viewing, feel free to send us a message. We'll show our contact details on the screen for you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next property tour.